The scene opens with a burst of vibrant colors, a world awakening with joy. Children from Africa dance to the rhythm of drums, their smiles radiant. In Europe, children paint murals of peace, their laughter echoing. Asian children fly kites that soar high, carrying messages of hope. American children plant trees, nurturing life and growth together. Middle Eastern children release doves, symbols of unity and freedom. The children wave, their hands reaching out across continents. They play games, their laughter a universal language. An uplifting song begins, its melody gentle and inviting. The lyrics speak of God's love, a boundless embrace for all. God embraces every child, regardless of their color. Children of all backgrounds are shown, diverse and beautiful. Whether near or far, God's love is a constant presence. Big or small, every child is cherished in God's eyes. The song emphasizes the universality of divine love, a close-up on a child's face, filled with wonder and innocence. Another child offers a flower, a gesture of friendship. They hold hands, forming a circle of unity and love. The lyrics continue, reinforcing the message of belonging. A montage of children smiling, their faces reflecting joy. The music swells, creating a sense of shared identity. Children from different cultures sing together in harmony. The song celebrates the beauty of human diversity. A child points to the sky, marveling at its vastness. Another child shares a story, their words filled with imagination. They laugh together, their spirits light and free. The scene shifts to a lush green field, bathed in sunlight. Children run and play, their energy boundless and joyful. The song continues, its message of love unwavering. God's love encompasses all, a gift freely given. The children gather around a tree, listening to a story. Their eyes are wide with wonder, their hearts open to love. The scene pans out, showing the world as a tapestry of cultures. Each thread is unique, yet woven together in harmony. The song fades slightly, leaving a sense of peace and tranquility. A child closes their eyes, feeling the warmth of God's love. Another child reaches out, offering a helping hand. They support each other, their bond unbreakable. The lyrics return, emphasizing the importance of unity. Children from different continents embrace, their hearts connected. The scene shifts to a vibrant marketplace, filled with life. Children share food, their generosity overflowing. They laugh and talk, their voices blending together. The song continues, its message of hope resonating. God's love is a beacon, guiding us towards peace. A child looks up at the sky, dreaming of a better world. Another child paints a picture of unity and harmony. They create together, their spirits soaring. The scene pans out, showing the world united in love. The song fades, leaving a feeling of hope and inspiration. A child smiles, their face radiating pure joy. Another child waves, their gesture warm and inviting. They stand together, a symbol of unity and peace. The lyrics return, emphasizing the power of love. God's love can heal, transform, and unite us all. The scene shifts to a peaceful garden filled with flowers. Children tend to the plants, nurturing life and beauty. They share stories, their voices soft and gentle. The song concludes, its message of love, eternal. The scene fades to white, leaving a feeling of peace. Children from different continents now gather, their laughter echoing in the air. A girl from Africa helps a boy from Europe pick up scattered building blocks. Sharing toys becomes a symbol of their newfound friendship, smiles lighting up their faces. The song continues, kind hands, caring hearts. Love is something we impart. A group of children shares a colorful drawing, each adding their unique touch. Despite speaking different languages, their joy is universally understood. The song repeats, different names, different tongues, God's love for everyone. A child from Asia offers a flower to a child from America, a gesture of peace. They giggle as they exchange the flower, their eyes sparkling with happiness. A glowing world map appears, connecting all the children with beams of light. The map pulses gently, showcasing the interconnectedness of every child. The song emphasizes, one world, one love, sent from up above. As evening descends, stars begin to twinkle in the darkening sky. Children from various cultures kneel in prayer, their heads bowed in reverence. A girl from the Middle East closes her eyes, her lips moving silently in prayer. A boy from South America clasps his hands together, his face serene. They express gratitude for their friends, both near and far away. The song whispers, "Thank you for friends, thank you for love, sent from above." They thank God for his unending love, a constant presence in their lives. The camera focuses on a child looking up at the stars, a sense of wonder. The song continues, "Endless love, shining bright, guiding us through the night." The children begin to sing a simple prayer together, their voices blending. The prayer echoes softly, "God, bless every child, in every land." The prayer continues, "Help us be kind, with an open hand." The children ask for help in being peaceful, spreading harmony around them. The prayer concludes, "Help us be peaceful on this blessed ground." The camera pans across their faces, each one reflecting innocence and hope. The song fades out gently, leaving a feeling of tranquility and peace. The glowing world map reappears, now bathed in a soft, golden light. The light symbolizes God's love, encompassing the entire world. The children wave goodbye, their smiles radiant and full of promise. The final shot is a close-up of a single star, twinkling in the night sky. The star represents hope, faith, and the enduring power of love. The scene fades to black, leaving a lasting impression of unity and peace. The words, "God's love, one world," appear on the screen in gentle letters. The uplifting melody lingers, a reminder of the message of the story. Children are seen sharing their toys with each other, a simple act of kindness. The toys represent different cultures, yet they are shared without hesitation. The song emphasizes the joy of giving and the importance of sharing. A group of children works together to build a sandcastle, a symbol of cooperation. They laugh and cheer as the sandcastle takes shape, their teamwork evident. The sun sets, casting a warm glow over the children as they play. The children gather around a campfire, sharing stories and songs from their cultures. The campfire represents unity, a place where everyone feels welcome. The stars twinkle above them, a reminder of God's constant presence. The children hold hands, forming a circle of friendship and love. They close their eyes and offer a silent prayer for peace and understanding. The camera zooms out, showing the children surrounded by the beauty of nature. The scene fades to white, leaving a feeling of hope and optimism. The words, "Love one another," appear on the screen, a simple yet powerful message. The music swells, reinforcing the theme of unity and compassion. The children are seen planting trees together, a symbol of growth and renewal. They water the trees with care, nurturing them with love and attention. The trees represent hope for the future, a world where everyone can thrive. The children release doves into the sky, a symbol of peace and freedom. The doves soar high above, carrying a message of love and understanding. The camera follows the doves as they fly towards the horizon. The scene fades to blue, representing the vastness of God's love. The words, "God's love, one world," reappear, a final reminder of the story's message. The music fades out, leaving a lasting impression of unity and peace.